My Sephora order got here today and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. First item I got was the Bumble Surf Styling Leave-In Cream. I heard that this is good to just put on and go. So next up is this hand mask because my hands get really dry when I'm washing dishes, so I wanted to try it out. So next up is this Violet Voss Berry Burst eyeshadow palette. I've always wanted to try Violet Voss, so I'm excited to try this one out. Here's what the palette looks like on the inside, and I love that it has a mirror. I love that it's small enough so I can travel with it. Definitely different colors I've never used before, some of them. So I'm excited to try it out. So I've always wanted to try one of these out. I decided to get it. I picked up the Dior Addict lip balm. It's a light pink sheer. I know it's kind of pricey, but I really wanted to treat myself. Here are the samples I picked out, and I can't wait to try them. So here's everything I ordered. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.